I like to bomb things as fast as I can. Oh, what the? Welcome back, guys. So I'm going snowboarding today, and on our way up our wheels started to shake, and we are gonna go check all the lug nuts because we're not sure if one of the lugs are loose. And we're pretty sure it's the left front wheel because that's what it feels like whenever you're driving.
Sure enough.
Yeah, that would have sucked. It was more than just one lug, it was like all of them.
There's 4 of them.
Okay guys, so I just got off the chairlift, and my gosh, that line, singles take so long compared to regular. Because everybody's just packing their, yeah. Sometimes singles is the way to go, today is not the way to go. Oh, bumpy. Crowded. Ow, that was flat. Ow. See how good this is? I didn't catch that much air at all. I don't know if I dare do this one. I guess I'm gonna do it. That was so smooth. Alright, I'm just gonna try to pump these so I can. Almost crashed. Pretty cool. I got my own lift all to myself. That's never happened. You're always with other random people, or usually with my friends. I got here to the very top, and it is, there's like no visibility, and it's super windy, so I am freezing right now. I was planning to get up here and look over into like all over into all the mountains. I can't even see down the hill. It is freezing out here. Okay, we're going needles then.
That one's fun actually, but easy right down on needles. From there to get there.
I do. We just need to go down this and then just signs. Do you hit the box or no?
What?
Do you hit the box or no? I hate this box. I always fall on it. Oh, what the? How are you?
Doing good. How about you, man?
Good.
Good. Nice to see you, man.
Nice to see you. What?
I don't ever go to this park.
This park's pretty fun. These jumps aren't the right ones. They're not as big as bluegrass.
The what?
The jumps on the right side, they're not that big.
I got the first one, but the second one, the ground was too sticky.
Yeah, that's why I skipped the first one, because otherwise you don't make the second one.